Let's know the index.
A for apple. B for bird. C for cloud. D for dolphin. E for egg. F for flower. G for grapes. H for honey. I for igloo. J for juice. K for kite. L for lotus. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for pineapple. Q for quack. R for rabbit. S for sunset. T for tree. U for unicorn. V for vehicle. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. Z for zebra.